Let's check out this latest Impala to come into Unique Specialty and Classics. From a 1968 two-door hardtop. Now, the one thing I will say right off the get-go, as you can see, we have some SS badging up front, fenders in the grille. Now, from what I've come up with, a little research that I've done, I believe in 68, the SS was not actually a trim level. In the Impala, it was an option. And the only way you'd be able to tell if you have an original one, window sticker or build sheet. Now, so I cannot confirm that 100%. What I can tell you is style number on this car, and also be in the beginning of the VIN, is a 16487, which the 427 SS cars would have required. That is one of the models that could have been set up with that SS package. So again, I cannot confirm or deny that this is a true SS. It's got a lot of the things that would lead you to believe that it may be, but either way, not representing it as one. Just kind of want to put that out there. So we're representing this as fairly as possible. This would originally have been a butternut yellow car, which would be Y paint code. It's now, it's a sharp looking, it's kind of a pewter gray, pewter silver color. Paint on it's nice. It's a base coat, clear coat. As you can see, it's got a nice luster to it. Yeah, I mean, if you look around, fine-tooth comb, start looking, you're going to find up with little imperfections in the clear here or there, but boy, overall, you can see this car is nice and straight. Again, nice reflection, as you can see the showroom lights and showroom behind me. Bright work chrome, also nice on this car. This car will turn heads. This has gotten a lot of attention the short time it's been in our showroom. Now, underneath the hood, it sounds good too, and underneath the hood we have a V8 502. It's like GM good wrench engine, and that one does have power steering, power brakes also. Speaking of power brakes, this is four-wheel disc all the way around, slotted and drilled rotors. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, check out the underside, interior, look this car over. There'll be over 100 pictures of this car online. Check them out. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you'll find the still pictures. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726. All right, this was original black interior car. It is set up now. Black vinyl buckets. Center console, horseshoe shifter, which is another thing the SSs would have had. And there is a lot of the SS badging. Yes, I understand that could be added afterwards. You have the SS in the wheel. Show you the dash. We got the dash with the tack, all the gauges. Some of the things I want to point out. Vinyl is in nice shape. Interior and exterior vinyl top also in nice shape. And again, take a look up and down the side of this car. You can see it straight. It's not wavy, and again, not full of a bunch of dings, nicks, and scratches. Coy's 18-inch wheels. Those are Nitto Redline tires. So what it is riding on. Now remember, we do consider trades. We can assist with transportation. Financing is available. And of course, this car may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Great kind of swooping rear tail to these. A little bit of that fastback look. Great lines on this car. Don't see the 68s every day. Remember, still pictures can be checked out at UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Come around and check out the rear of this as far as chrome. Again, rear bumper, nice shape. Little touch-up spot right here. So again, you can tell that previous owners cared for this car. A little touch-up was needed. It was done. Let's take a look down the driver's side of this. Again, you can see, I mean, that's a long body line, and not full of waves. Does not appear to be a thick car. Looks pretty darn straight. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. There'll be a bunch of them on our website to see. Kind of hit on what I wanted to around the exterior of this car. We're going to pop the hood and get it running, and we'll see how that engine bay looks like. Again, rear seat, vinyl, good shape. Belts all appear to be back there. A couple of things I will note that I did notice. Windshield wiper motor runs. It does not have the armatures for the wipers on there. So those would be needed to be put on. Kind of see that in the hot rod world, and a lot of people are rain-axing windshields, or how much are they driven in the rain, let's put it that way. The other thing is I did not get the stereo to power up. This is also a power window car. Power windows do work fine. And it was originally an AC car. You can tell by the controller, and some of the components are still underneath the hood, but the compressor is gone. I suppose when they put in a different engine. So original AC car, but no longer all the components are. Check out this dash. There's your tack on that side. Sorry, you're going to get a little glare. Gauges, speedometer, and clock. Odometer states 86,698. Tough to confirm or deny that is actual miles. Once the car is so old, it doesn't stay in the title with it. See how easily that starts. As far as the dash, not full of cracks, good shape. Center console again, horseshoe shifter. I'm going to let this 502 warm up a little bit. Tad cold-blooded, but I think we're probably good. I'm going to slip out so you can hear this car run from behind. We definitely got a little cam to it. So nicely that door closes. So no real loud, crazy, obnoxious exhaust. Wait until we definitely got a cam in this thing. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pause this a second. Pop this hood. I want you to be able to check out this engine bay. Check everything that's underneath there. Look it over. Alright, hood pop. Again, 502. It's a good wrench engine. Hooker headers. Power brakes, power steering, HEI ignition, aluminum radiator. Again, come over here, you can see there's original AC car. Looks like it had been converted once upon a time too. So it would need the compressor and some more of the components if you wanted to get the AC functioning. And again, a little bit of cam to it, but nice smooth running engine. So there you go, 1968 Impala, two-door hardtop, badged up as a SS427. Cannot confirm that, but look it over, do your due diligence, and check it out. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. You can see the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may qualify for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.